Good morning, students. Hope you are staying safe, healthy, doing well and studying hard during this lockdown period. Today we are going to study Anantha Murthy's Samskara, an overview of this novel. You are Anantha Murthy, a novelist, short story writer, poet, playwright, and literary critic, is one of India's most celebrated modern writers. He was born in 1932, a remote village in Tirthahalli Taluk. He belonged to an Orthodox Vedika Brahmin family where his grandfather was a priest. His father, not desiring to be the same, learnt English stealthily and took London matriculation examination by teaching himself. He left the village and went to Banaras and Bombay, holding several jobs in succession, ending up managing a monastery. In the words of Anantha Murthy, my father was a great metaphor, a meeting of the two worlds. When I was initiated, I had to learn the Sutkas, but then he made me learn by heart the impeachment of Warren Hastings. The autodidact father, who had alternated between a cropped head and a tuft in his own pipe, had passed on to the son the habit of rebellion. Anantha Murthy had his early Sanskrit education in a traditional pathshala. He completed his graduation and post-graduation from University of Mysore in 1956. Later in 1966, he earned a PhD from the University of Birmingham, UK, by gaining a Commonwealth Fellowship. Anantha Murthy began his career as a lecturer in English in 1956 and continued till 1963. During the period from the 1970 to 80, he served as the reader in English at Mysore University. He has served as a visiting professor at a number of